YouTube is going on with your man, back again with another video, man. I have a day off, trading London session. It's my birthday and we just had a win. Forget about the materialistic things, forget about the cars, forget about the Lamborghinis, forget about the houses. When it comes to trading, bro, time freedom is the biggest thing, bro. We did end up buying a cologne, bro. If you trade New York session, you are a spoiled. Should I start thinking about getting a girlfriend, bro? We made it through another year. We are 23 years old now. 24, 25. My goal is to be a millionaire before 25 or by 25. Today is Wednesday, and today is also my birthday. And crazy enough, we were working on this project and we finished it yesterday. And because of that, I get to have a day off on my birthday. And because of that, I was trading New York session right now, as you guys can see. And we just finished trading, man. So I have a day off. We trading London session. It's my birthday, and we just had a win. We had a $513 win, man. Crazy, bro, crazy. But it's my birthday. I still gotta do the things that I gotta do throughout the day. Everything is going amazing. But right now, I'm gonna get ready to go do a 30-minute run. I don't really have anything planned for today, to be honest with you guys. So I'm gonna just do what I gotta do. Man, now we are outside, and as you guys can see, there's a whole bunch of snow. Apparently, it was snowing last night, and I didn't even know that. But we're gonna get this 30-minute run regardless. I'm gonna see where I go right now. And I'm also going to be explaining to you guys the trade that I took right after I'm done with this 30-minute run, man. So I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. All right, man, so that was the end of a 30-minute run right there. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I was having a whole conversation with you guys, but it turns out that the microphone wasn't even connected. So I just recorded a whole video for no reason. But anyways, man, we're back inside. I'm gonna explain to you guys the trade that I took. But before I do that, man, you know that one feeling that you feel like there is something missing? That one feeling that you feel like there's something missing. You don't know what it is, but there's something missing. That's exactly how I feel right now. And I think it's the coffee, because we haven't had a coffee today. So I'm about to go make a coffee, super duper strong, black as hell. And then we're gonna get to explain the trade to you guys. So let's go make a coffee, man. All right, cheers everybody. What a beautiful coffee on a beautiful day like today. It's my birthday and we also gotta win. Amazing, bro. But anyways, man, if you guys want to follow me, if you guys want to see the trades first thing in the morning once I'm done trading, then go follow me on IG, man. I post my trades on IG every single time that I'm done trading first thing in the morning. The link should be in the description, man. But as you guys can see, this is the trade that we took. And first thing that I always do is I like to go to the 1 hour time frame just to see what the market is doing. And I see that we're pushing towards the upside. So we're bullish. But right now, the momentum that the market has is this downtrend. It has been pushing down. So even though the overall trend is bullish, the trend right now, the momentum right now is bearish, is going towards the bottom. So when I come into the markets, I see this and I'm like, okay, so where's my buys? Am I looking for sells or am I looking for buys? So when I don't know exactly what bias I have, I like to go to the 4 hour charts. And when I come to the 4 hour, just to get a better picture of what the market is doing, I see that we do have a demand setup, demand in the 4 hour right here. So okay, I see okay, this candle, by the way, was not printed yet. That candle was not printed. This is what I was looking at when I came into the markets. Now I'm like, okay, so I see that we have a demand. The market came down to this demand once. It tried to push up, but it didn't keep on pushing up. It came back down again. So I see that we have this. The market came down here. This candle came underneath and it closed above the low of this candle, which means that it took liquidity. And liquidity is basically orders. People who have their stop loss underneath, many people like to leave stop losses underneath lows and highs. So the market comes down, takes the low, takes all of those orders out. So that means that it took liquidity. And now that it took the orders out, it likes to bounce the other way. So I'm like, okay, the overall trend is bullish, and we're now taking liquidity of that low, so we can potentially be pushing up towards the upside. So I'm like, okay, so I have more of a buy, I have more of a bullish bias when I come into the market. So okay, so I see that we're taking liquidity from that low right here, and then I come here to the 5 minute. When I come to the 5 minute, I see that okay, that is not where I was at. Okay, that's where I was at. Okay, so I was like around here. Okay, so I got into the trade right there, and that's where I got in. But so when I come here into the 5 minute, I'm looking for buys. Why? Because in the 4 hour, we're taking liquidity of that low, and we are in a 4 hour demand. So I see that we're making some sort of support right here. Let me delete this because too many lines, too many things. I might get you guys confused. But I see that we have making some sort of support around this area. Like the market keeps on bouncing, 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 but it doesn't break above. So I don't get in right here. No, I didn't get in right there. It wasn't there. It was, I believe, yeah, it was when this candle right here. I see the support being made right here, but then this candle, this green candle, came underneath all of these lows right here. It took liquidity of this low. Just like the market was taking liquidity from the 4 hours, just like the market was taking liquidity of this this low, just like this candle. Hold on. Let me just like this candle was taking liquidity of this low of this candle, the same thing was happening in the 5 minute as well, man. And is the chart is just messing up crazy. But anyways, let me go back to it. The same thing was happening in the 5 minute. We come down, we take liquidity of all of those lows. This candle comes down, not that one, this one, yeah, that one takes liquidity of all of these lows, and then it closes above the 13 SMA. So I get in. As soon as it closes like above the 13 SMA, I get in. I put my stop loss underneath this low, and I was aiming for this highs up here. Why was I aiming for this highs? I was aiming for a little bit more than the highs because the market usually likes to come up to the high a little bit more and keep on dropping. And why was I aiming for those highs? Because the overall trend is bearish. Even though we are, the momentum right now is bearish. Even though we are in the 4 hour demand, it doesn't mean that we're going to push right now towards the upside. No, it just means that we're going to get movements towards the upside in this area, but it doesn't mean that we're going to push all the way. I don't know when the movement is going to happen. We just, you know what I'm saying? We just see the entries and we take it and we get what we can, knowing that the momentum right now is bearish. So I'm very careful, and when I go to the 15 minutes, I also see that we have this break of structure right here. We have this break of structure, and then we have this 15-minute supply. So even that was even a bigger reason for me to get out on a 1-to-1. You know what I'm saying? It was a little bit more than a 1-to-1. It was a 1 to 1.25. And then, yeah, man, I think it took two candles. Yeah, two candles is all it took. It came up to my take profit, and we got a $514 win. Why do I have two trades here? Well, that's another story. Do I want to explain it? Well, yeah, this is gonna make the video so long, but I'm gonna just explain it to you guys as quickly as I can. The reason why I have two trades, let me go over this trade candle by candle by candle, is because, okay, let me delete these lines. Okay, so my entry originally was right here. When this green candle closed above the 13 SMA, I got in. And then, as you know, I got in with one contract. And as you know, we only had like $700 in to play with capital because we're deep in drawdown. So I'm trying to get out of drawdown as best as I can, as safe way as safest, is that a word? As safest as safe. I don't even know, man, but I'm trying to get out of drawdown as safe as I can. And then I get in with one contract here, and then I see this candle comes down here, and I see that, okay, we came down. So, and when I see that is rejected and coming up again, I get in with another contract. I get in with another contract, and the purpose of this contract wasn't to go all the way up here. The reason, the purpose of this contract is to get out somewhere in the middle, so we can secure a little bit more profit. So if the trade doesn't ends up not working out, we at least secure some profits in the middle of the trade, and we can make the loss even smaller. So that's exactly what happened. When I see that this candle came down, and then I see that it's rejecting and it's pushing up again, I'm like, okay, we're rejecting we're coming from the bottom, now we're going up again with momentum. So I get in with another contract at around the same area actually. When this candle was pushing up, I get in and it started to push up, and when it came up here halfway through the trade, I closed it. I closed that one contract, and now that I had a little bit of profits, and now if it comes back down, my loss is going to be small because I already took some profits out of the trade, and I let the other contract go all the way up here. So that's the reason why I have two trades, one being 1,140 and the other one being 380. So that was an amazing way to get out of drawdown, man. It was risky, yes, but you know what I'm saying, sometimes, but it was safe to me. It's like I knew what I was doing. It's like I knew the risk that I was taking behind it. And yeah, as the trade was pushing up right here, as this candle was pushing up, I brought the extra contract that I added into the trade. I put it at break even. So if the trade was to come back down again, it was gonna take me out of break even. So it was an extra contract that I added into the trade. But if it went back against me, it wasn't going to affect me at all because it was already a break even once it started to push up. So that's the reason behind it, man. So we secured some profits before hitting our take profit, and it did ended up going up to my take profit. So which is, everything worked amazingly, man. But I'm making this video super duper long right now, and as you know, I'm gonna take you guys with me throughout my day. I might do some things throughout the day today. I think I might go shopping. I might go to the mall just to buy some things. I don't know. Like I said, I don't have anything planned for today. I'm gonna just go to the mall, see if I can buy something for myself because it's my birthday. Why not? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm gonna take you guys with me. Whatever it is that I do throughout the day, I'm gonna take you guys with me, and you guys will see it, man. But yeah, stay tuned. All right, man. So right now, let's go to the store. I already showered. I got ready. Listen, I have no intentions of buying anything at all. I have no idea of what I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna just go and see what I get, only because it's my birthday, bro. Normally, I only go shopping when I have something in mind, but today I don't have anything in mind. So I'm gonna just go see what we get. But first, I gotta go and give this car an oil change because I normally do it myself, but there's a whole bunch of snow on the ground right now, and I don't want to be laying down on a whole bunch of snow. So I'm gonna go to the car wash, get an oil change, get the car clean, and then we're gonna go to the store. Man, they did me so wrong with this car wash, man, because this is the first time that I ever come to this car wash. I usually go to a different one, but since the one that I always go to is closed, I went to a different one. And it turns out, bro, that if you get an oil change, they give you a free car wash. But I went to get the car washed first, and then I went to get an oil change. And now they telling me, oh, now you can get a free car wash if you want to because of the oil change. What? I already washed my car, bro. I'm like, man, that sucks. But luckily, the thing is for like 2 weeks, so I can come back 2 weeks from now. So next week, I'm gonna definitely be at that car wash, bro. Alright guys, so let's go shopping. Like I said, I have no intentions of buying anything. I'm just here just to see what I get. But right now, I still haven't had no breakfast, so I'm gonna go grab a coffee or something, right? Back in the car, man. So we made it back to the car, and we did end up buying a cologne. This was like 140 around there, and we also ended up buying a windbreaker.
because you know the winter is coming to an end. It's gonna be that season where you have to wear hoodies, windbreakers, things of that nature. So I bought myself another North Face windbreaker. It's not a jacket like this one. This is a jacket. This one is a hot jacket, but this one is like a, it's not too hot. So yeah, man, we ended up spending around 250, and luckily, bro, I got tired because, man, for some reason I don't know if it's only me, but walking around the mall gets your energy drained, bro. You just get tired. I don't know if it's only me, bro. I don't know if I'm tripping, but that's the reason why I ended up coming back into the car, because there was a lot more stores for me to see, for me to look at, and I think if I kept on walking, I would have ended up buying more things, man. But yeah, happy birthday to myself, man. I treated myself real quick, and right now we're gonna go back to the house. I got a few things that I gotta do at the house, so let's go, man. All right, man. So we're back at the crib, back at the house, and I do gotta do some computer work right now. And I also want to say this, man. I just realized that it's only 2:30 p.m. right now. Forget about the materialistic things. Forget about the cars. Forget about the Lamborghinis. Forget about the houses. When it comes to trading, bro, time freedom is the biggest thing, bro. Because, bro, I went to do a car wash, oil change. I went for a 30-minute run. I went shopping. I traded. I did all of these things that I had to do, and it's only 2:30, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feels like my day is coming to an end, but in reality, we're like halfway through the day. Think about that for a second, man. The time freedom that trading brings, because I was literally in the markets for like 30 minutes. We got to win, and we started doing what we had to do. You know what I'm saying? And those 30 minutes, I mean, I wasn't trading real money. It was the challenge account. But imagine if I took it on the challenge account, that would have been more than what my job pays me in a day. You know what I'm saying? 30 minutes, I would have made more by trading than going to work 8 hours at the job site. I wouldn't be at the house right now. You know, if I went to work, I wouldn't even be at the house right now. And I already did so much throughout the day, man. It's crazy. Just think about, bro, it's insane, bro. This is giving me motivation, bro. Having a day off today was perfect, especially on my birthday, bro. It's crazy, but yeah, I'm motivated, man, because the possibilities, the things that you can do with trading is insane. It's insane, bro. And you know what I'm saying? Valentine's is coming as well. Hey, listen, I've seen hella Valentine's things in the mall. I'm like, man, should I start should I start thinking about getting a girlfriend, bro? You know what I'm saying? But I'm like, nah, bro. It's too soon. I'm still working. I'm still locked in. I'm still full vision in what I'm working. Full vision on my craft. Listen, right now, I'm gonna stay away from that for a second. But eventually, bro, when things are looking good, when things are working out, we're gonna start moving towards that area, man. But Valentine's is coming and got me thinking a little bit. But anyways, man, I'm gonna do some computer work that I have, some company work that I have. I'm gonna be here for like an hour and 30 minutes, something like that. It's an invoice, the job that we finished. I gotta do the invoice for that job, and I also gotta do some personal employee information and some other things as well, man. But I'm gonna be here for like an hour and 30 minutes, and I'm gonna see you guys after, man. All right, so my day basically comes to an end, and I'm gonna end it with a conversation while we do a mukbang. I got milk in here, and I also bought a little sandwich, which is I don't want to eat too much today, bro, because I had a lot of food yesterday, and I'm still feeling full from it. It's crazy how much food it was. It's a croissant, a ham, cheese, not ham and cheese, ham, eggs, croissant. We're gonna have this, and also I got a empanada de guayaba con queso. If you know, you know. But yeah, man, we're gonna enjoy this food as we finish this video today. We're gonna do a mukbang. My God, this microphone is low-key in the way, bro. Let me change it. But yeah, man, today was my birthday, man. Today was my birthday, and I feel grateful, bro. I feel grateful. I feel grateful with God. I don't know if you guys were hearing me because I was playing too much with it. But basically, I was saying that I'm grateful. I'm grateful for another year, man. We made it through another year. We are 23 years old now. 24, 25. My goal is to be a millionaire before 25 or by 25. I still got 2 more years. You know what I'm saying? I'm grateful. I'm very grateful for. I'm grateful with God for blessing me with another year. Man, it's crazy to think about because I've been grinding nonstop since I left school, which is I was 19 years old. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. It's been 4 years that I've been on the grind, bro. On the just grinding, bro, grinding. And it's not until not too long ago that I actually had a purpose. You know, like I actually found what I wanted to do. Like like the first years when I was grinding, I was just kind of I wanted to be something and I wanted to do something. I didn't know what I wanted. But I knew that I didn't want to go to college. I knew that I didn't want to work a 9 to 5. I knew. You know what I'm saying? So I just been working and working and grinding to see what was that one thing that I was going to do. 4 years later, man, my purpose now is trading, YouTube, flooring business. Number one, Jesus Christ. And I feel so grateful, bro, because even though I'm not where I want to be, even though there is so much work ahead of me right now, so much work, bro, ahead of me is insane. There was so many times that I thought about giving up because it was so difficult, but then I think about where I am and where I want to be, and I'm like, this is not where I want to be, and where I want to be, I will be doing double the work. If not, things will be way more difficult than what they are right now. So why would I give up right now when I'm starting? You know what I'm saying? So I was like, I gotta keep on pushing, keep on pushing, keep on pushing. And that's what I've been doing, nonstop. And like I said, I'm not where I want to be, but the fact that I have a purpose now, the fact that I now know where to focus my energy, now that I have a clear path on the things that I should be spending my energy on, so I can make something work out of it, it's a huge blessing, bro. Because at some point, I was just working hard. I was just working and working, but I didn't know what I wanted to do. You know what I'm saying? And having a focus point where you can focus and spend your focus your energy on, so you can make it work, is huge, bro. It's huge because, like I said, for many years of my life, I didn't know. But I feel blessed, man. Crazy. I wonder how much more we're gonna do while being 23 years old. Because 1 year of work, I'm not planning on stopping. I'm only planning on going even harder and harder. In 1 year, bro, a lot can change in 1 year. You know, where are we gonna be on YouTube? Where are we gonna be on trading? Where am I gonna be on the business, on the flooring business? You know, because I also have goals and expectations for the business as well. And the thing is, if I become profitable in trading, if I start making a lot of money in trading, I won't have to I won't have to be at the job sites. I won't have to show up to work at 9 to 5 like I am doing right now. I can just literally focus outside of the field and work on expanding the business, making the business even bigger, focusing on meeting new people, new clients, going around places and, you know, making the business grow. Not by being in the field, but by having all this, because trading, bro, gives you so much extra time of your day. Today I realized, bro. Today I realized it. You trade, you're done for the day, and now you have hella hours that you can still use for whatever it is that you want, you know. So what am I going to be using those hours for? I'm going to be using it to expand the business, the flooring business, and also to become a better boxer, because boxing is also something that I want to do. This is, I don't even know how do you say guayaba in English, but guayaba is basically like a sweet fruit, and this is like cheese. So it's a combination of sweet and cheese. Is very good. It's amazing. It's amazing. And the milk. Well, I'm not drinking coffee because, bro, I'm about to go to sleep right now. But first, I do have to go edit this video right now. And it's 7:30, so I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna edit the video, upload it to YouTube. Bro, I can go to sleep at 11 when I trade New York session. Bro, if you trade New York session, you are a spoiled. Let me not say it, but this is an amazing session to trade, bro. You can go to sleep late, enjoy the day, enjoy the night. You know what I'm saying? When I trade London, I cannot enjoy the night. I can listen. I wake up in the freaking morning when it's still dark outside. I'm not enjoying that darkness. I'm trading. When the day comes, I'm trading. I mean, when the day comes, I'm working the 9 to 5. And when I get back to the house, it's already late. You know what I'm saying? It's already becoming night, and it's already time for me to go to sleep once I'm done with everything that I gotta do. So if you trade in New York session, bro, you are a spoiler. You are the luckiest person, bro. If I can make it work trading in London session, then, bro, no, you have no excuses if you trade in New York session. This is just the best session, bro. It's crazy. And tomorrow we're gonna be trading the New York session again. So we're going to be trading at. We're gonna be waking up at around 6:37. I don't know. I'm not sure. I like to get into the markets at 7:30. So yeah, I'm gonna wake up around 6, a little bit before 7, and yeah, man, repeat, do the same exact thing again. As you know, we got ourselves out of drawdown, not all the way, but I feel relieved. I feel relieved now, bro, because we were deep in drawdown, but this win that we had today gave me a sense of relief because, bro, okay, now I have more space. Now I don't feel pressure to go with such a low risk. So tomorrow we're gonna be using $300 to $400 of risk per trade, and we have around 1,200 to play with. So it shouldn't be too bad. We have around 4 opportunities to make it work. So, and we cut the losses as well. So I mean, listen, we should be good. We're gonna get out of drawdown. We're gonna pass these challenges, bro. Trust me, bro. We can make it happen. We had a bad first day, but we're gonna recover. I'm excited because I know that I will make it happen, bro. I just know. But anyways, man, I'm gonna finish this food and then I'm gonna go home. So this video comes to an end. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay productive. Y'all stay disciplined in the markets. Make sure that you have a relationship with the highest, Jesus Christ. And without further ado, man, this video is now over.